In this video, we are diving into a bold and confident claim shaking the XRP market. A well-known crypto analyst and developer, known online as Bird, has declared that he is 100% confident XRP will hit a new all-time high this month. This statement isn't based on hype alone, it's backed by technical structure, trendline behavior, and a completed backtest that has been months in the making. At the time of the analysis, XRP was trading near $2.09, recovering strongly from recent pullbacks. According to Bird, this price zone is not a sign of weakness but a transition phase, a moment where consolidation ends and expansion begins. In this video, we are going to break down exactly why this setup matters, what the chart is signaling, and how this could impact XRP's price trajectory as we move deeper into 2026. So, why is the analyst still 100% confident XRP will hit an all-time high? Bird's confidence comes from completion, not speculation. In technical analysis, the most powerful moves often happen after a structure finishes developing, not while it's forming. According to Bird, XRP has already completed a long-term technical sequence that has been unfolding for months. When XRP was trading near $2.09, it had just emerged from a swift recovery. Instead of showing exhaustion, the price showed strength, suggesting buyers were stepping in with conviction. Bird's phrase, backtest complete, time to shine. So this carries weight because backtests are often the final confirmation before major trend continuation. From a market impact perspective, confidence from respected analysts can act as a sentiment catalyst. While price doesn't move on opinions alone, a strong conviction backed by clear structure can encourage institutional and retail participation, increasing volume and momentum. So, how did descending trend line shape XRP's price action? The descending trend line shown here on XRP's daily chart has been one of the most important technical barriers since July, when XRP last reached its all-time high. This trend line capped every attempt to move higher, forcing the asset into a series of lower highs. What's crucial here is structural compression. As XRP continued respecting this trend line, price movement became tighter, volatility dropped, and pressure built beneath the surface. This type of compression often precedes explosive breakouts because energy is being stored rather than released. From a market impact standpoint, prolonged compression shakes out weak hands. Traders who lack patience exit early, leaving behind stronger holders. When the breakout finally happens, supply is thinner, allowing price to move faster and further. So, why is the breakout and backtest such a big deal? The most important moment in this entire setup is not just the breakout, but the successful backtest. XRP didn't simply spike above the trend line and continue blindly. Instead, it pulled back, tested the old resistance, and confirmed it as a new support. This behavior is a textbook sign of healthy breakout. The green box on Bird's chart marks this retest zone. showing that buyers defended the level aggressively. When resistance flips into support, it signals a shift in market control from sellers to buyers. For the market, for the broader market, this confirms that XRP's breakout isn't emotional, it's structural. This reduces the probability of a fakeout and increases confidence in trend continuation, which can attract sidelined capital. So, what does the $1.82 support level tell us about seller weakness? Another key detail is the horizontal support near $1.82. XRP dipped into this zone and was immediately defended, signaling that sellers were losing control at lower prices. This defense came before the breakout, which is critical. When an asset refuses to break lower despite multiple attempts, it suggests that demand is absorbing supply. Sellers become exhausted, and once they step aside, price can move up rapidly with less resistance. From a market perspective, this support defense builds a floor of confidence. Traders are more willing to enter positions when downside risk appears limited, increasing overall market participation. So, why is $3.44 the most important upside level to watch? Above the current price levels, $3.44 stands out as the most significant horizontal resistance. This level previously halted XRP's advance, making it a natural technical target for the next leg up. Bird's projected move points directly toward this zone, suggesting it could be reached relatively quickly if momentum continues. A clean break above $3.44 would signal that XRP is entering price discovery territory, where historical resistance becomes irrelevant. Market-wise, entering price discovery often leads to accelerated moves, fueled by FOMO, momentum traders, and algorithmic strategies. This is where new all-time highs become realistic rather than speculative. So, what should traders expect from XRP moving forward? The key expectation moving forward is continuation. As long as XRP holds above $2 and remains above the broken descending trend line, volume confirmation will be essential, but the structure already favors higher prices. After months of tight consolidation, the chart suggests a rapid momentum return rather than a slow grind. For traders who focus on structure and key levels, this setup offers clarity, which is rare in volatile markets. If momentum sustains, XRP could not only revisit previous highs but surpass them, making a strong and symbolic start to 2026. And finally, my own personal opinion about this is that this is one of the cleanest XRP technical setups we've seen in a long time. The combination of trend line breakout, successful backtest, and a strong support defense creates a compelling case for higher prices. While no outcome is ever guaranteed, the market structure strongly favors continuation rather than rejection. If momentum and volume align, a new all-time high this month is not just possible, it's technically justified. That said, smart traders should always manage risk. Confidence is powerful, but discipline is what keeps you in the game long term. And this finally ends our video. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.